at the Spruce Run Reservoir after work. It's Thursday. Gonna be trying a little topwater, maybe a little jigging for crappie. I have a Len Thompson spoon that I'm real excited I wanted to throw around up here. I won that from the Angling Spiders, and Spruce Run has pike, so see if I can land into one. So I'll be switching up the baits throughout. I probably got, I don't know, hopefully a good 3 hours of fishing. Not enough of what I want to do, but Delaware River still flooded, starting to come down, and we got bad thunderstorms last night, so it shot up another 4 foot again, and it wasn't even down yet. So see what we can get up here. I think this is my 3rd trip this year up Spruce Run. Stay tuned. Oh guys, I just casted this out. I don't even think it got down 5 foot, and this little white perch nailed me. I'll take her though, a little white perch. Oh, rat. I think I got a crappie. This is the jig. Plus it's a smaller striper. Okay. Maybe it's a smallmouth. Nice. Very nice. Get up here, buddy. There you go. There you go with the Spruce Run Smallie. Oh. Yeah, he's at the boat. I'm going to count him as a catch. Here it is, guys. The Len Thompson I got from Angling Spiders.
You have won our second 1,000 subscriber giveaway, man. Congratulations, Steve. I hope you're still on this. I'm sure you're still here. Yes, you are still here. Congrats, man. Appreciate it.
Another crappie. Now we're starting to get into some. Hooked him good. Nice little crappie. Oh. There's another nice fatty. Seems the hot pink is hot right now. Yeah, getting nicer. See a nice one. So I'm trolling over to my next spot. I want to do a little top water back on this other edge here. And I getting a couple nicer crappie right here, and it's 13 foot. I'm gonna say they're probably about 6 foot down. Hot pink getting the last two nice ones. There's a like a nicer one. Yeah. Nice. Guys, you gotta be freaking seagull. Yeah, come over here, buddy. You can fly right to me. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. I don't want to hurt you here, buddy. Keep your beak up. Ay, ay, ay. I know, I'm gonna get it out for you, buddy. Come here. I got you. I tried to get it away from him. I'm trying here, buddy. I'm trying. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna try to get you. Hold on, buddy. I'm trying to help you. Hold on. There you go. Hold on. Hold on, I'm getting you. There you go. Jeez. Dude, he came down so quick after that freaking topwater bait. And I was trying to get it out. Started to go real fast, so he couldn't get to it, and he freaking grabbed it anyway. Poor thing. Yeah, he made it away fine. Awfully loud he was. Poor guy. He back up with his buddies. He's good. Now do I mark that in the books? Does that count as one in my multi-species? Guys, I'm in shock here. Beautiful overcast. Fishing. Look how calm the water is. I can't even get anything to come up after this top water. However, I did get the seagull to hit it. You know what's gonna happen, because I ain't getting nothing on it. You start looking around, start doing this and that, and you hear a big splash, and then you miss them. Yeah. We'll stay at it, see what we get. Yeah, this bass just hit me right at the boat on the top water. I stopped my retrieve it up here. I was at a space on the water, and I went to do my trolling motor. Big old splash right next to the boat. And what the heck? Yeah, baby. Yeah, with that bass hitting me right there at the boat. I guess good thing I wasn't recording, because I screamed like that seagull that I caught. I was like, yeah! Wouldn't want to get that on tape. Alright guys, about time I got that topwater fish instead of just the seagull. That's that short that I did not long ago. The Truson. Those go up when the fish hit. Pretty nice topwater, man. There we go, boys. Alright. Hey, thank you. Another species, largemouth. So that's white perch, smallmouth, crappie, seagull, largemouth. Take her. Switched over. I got these spinner baits. Mad Bite. I don't know if anybody's ever used them before, but that's what I just got the largemouth on. They seem pretty nice. And the reason that I got these, the Strike Kings, I had two of the Strike Kings break right here. So I'll put the price in here. These were, I think, two for like half the price of one Strike King. So I'm like, yeah, I'll give it a try. One day on the Delaware, I lost 3 of them. With shipping, that's like $45. Well, one broke, and I had 2 line snaps. I'm thinking they were musky. As you can see, I have the leader on here because there's pike in here. Oh, crappie, quick release there. Hey guys, that's the wrap for Spruce Run after work today. Got in about 3 hours. Started out pretty slow and heated up a little, like getting the crappie. Felt bad getting that seagull. Had to reel him in though, get that topwater out of his beak. Yeah, so I ended up with 11, 6 crappie, 2 largemouth, 2 smallmouth, and a white perch. I'll take it. Nothing huge, but I was itching this week, 2 weeks. Delaware's been too high to fish. I'm getting all antsy, itchy, eyes twitching. I needed to fish, man. Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Always, guys. Have a great weekend. Peace.